Hi, this 2000 I think 7 Honda Odyssey, the power steering leaking. This is power steering hose, so I'm gonna replace the power steering hose. You see the power steering, somebody put I think the RTV or something still leaking all over. Look. To do that, we need to open the air duct, like the map sensor, mass flow sensor. The map sensor is right here. Then there's one bolt right there. One right here. I think that is 8mm. There's one missing. There should be another one right here. And then there's a little clip. This one, just loosen up. And then after that, I'll show you why I open this. Take all this fluid out from the reservoir, like see this little by little. You see the reason I open this. After this, I open this air duct. Then you'll see I have access to the bowl. The bowl. Let me show you. The pressure hose attached to the right pinion. This is 14mm. This needs 14mm, and you can easily get access to this. See this? You can get your hand easily right there. See this? See this? I can touch it there. Just hand. Easily you can do it. Right. You can use 14mm wrench here. The test right here. If it's very tight, you cannot really open it up. Sometimes it's very tight. Just use one of the pipe, which is the small pipe or whatever. It's have a hole. Oh, this wire is see right there. Now you see you have leverage on the transmission. Just push it. It's open now. Now you can easily open this. See? It's easily. After that, we need to lose two 10mm bolts. There's another 10mm right here. Just loose it up. There. And you can pry this transmission line. There's O-ring. This is the O-ring right here in the middle. Don't forget to put this O-ring. There's the O-ring in the middle. When you put it back, the new one, just try to make sure put this straight like this. Just easily put straight and tie it up. Don't tie it like crazy. This is soft metal. After you open this, make sure you put something so it's not going any dust and debris inside. Oh, there's a bushing. I'm talking about the bushing. See my hand touching right there? There's a 10mm ball right here. This ball. There was a loose the ball. This 10mm ball needs to loose it up. And there is a bushing right here. There's one bushing. I think After you take the ball off, you can split. Easier to get in access to the high pressure switch. I'll take the passenger side tire off. After that, you see a high pressure switch. Let me show you where is the bushing. This is the bushing right there. The top of it, there is a one ball. There's another bushing right here. Let's take this bushing. There's a 10mm ball right there. See my finger right there. There's a 10mm ball. Take that off. After you losing both bushing, just easily from the top. It's come down like this, and you pull like this. It's better if you have somebody like pulling from the top, and you just push it because there's a band. You have to release the band just from underneath. So when you go underneath, please, I urge you, put the jack stand, jack and jack stand. Don't go with the only jack. See how easy it came out. Just take this off. There we go. Sensor, there's two bushing right there. This one, and the other one. They have a like some kind of clip and tank clip and hole. Go like this, and 10mm bolts. Just put it. After the remove, just you have to remove this pressure switch in here and match it up. Everything is matched. I'm surprised they don't put this bushing, so I need to take the bushing off from here and transfer to in here. To open the power steering switch, the one wrench, you see these things right here, 17mm as well, is go inside right there like this. Hold it and the switch, and 17mm go inside. Just lift it up like this. It's a little tight, but you need a little leverage when you do this. You can just open it up. There's a O-ring. When you tighten it up, the new one, this is a little different shape. It's from AutoZone, like 17mm right here, and there's 17mm. See, it's right here. Just hold it tight. The bushing is did not came with the new hose. So what I did, I cut like the old one. I cut it right here. And after you cut it, just take see the position where it was. Just take this off, put this in here like this. See the another one. So that's the only way I can do it, because after that you just push through this hole right there. Right here. Just be careful, don't start the switch. You can tie it from the underneath too. 14mm. I think it's from the top is better, so you can